Hi, we are Brandy and Ryan of HomeSort, and we are professional organizers. And right now we are in Ohio to do a really fun collaboration with mDesign.
We are so excited to introduce you to Susan Lazan Immerman. She is former fashion designer and currently sits on the board of directors of mDesign, our favorite company, who we love, and we're here in her incredible home to do some really fun organizing.
Well, I'm so thrilled you're here. What can I tell you? Been looking forward to it, and we've had a little time to get to know each other, and the aesthetic. I mean, we're on the same page, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, we talked about the pantry. I wanted white and bamboo. You're like, that's our favorite.
Yep,
and
love it.
mDesign and HomeSort, this collaboration is just going to be terrific, and we're bringing it into my home. So not only are you doing my pantry, you're doing my closet. So I am thrilled. I'm just so happy, and I think that it's important to do these kind of refreshes. You know? It's been a while, pandemic. I think my pantry needed some help, and plus I think after what we've all been through, it's nice to get back into your home and refresh it a bit in those areas that make you happy, and that makes me happy.
Yes, for sure.
There's a lot of grandkids in there and a lot of food.
So
we need to make sure that it's grandparent friendly and kid friendly. So I'm just thrilled, and I'm thrilled with the mDesign collaboration that we're doing with you, and we just hope it continues for a very long time.
Yes. Okay, let's talk about kind of the plan for the pantry, what's happening in there.
Yeah, the client wanted a clean, fresh look in there. She wanted to feel when she walks in. And so how are we doing that?
Well, the goal is to marry function and style. So style, we've got bamboo, we've got white, it's gonna be bright, airy, crisp, clean. And then we've got to go strong with function because a system is what will keep any space organized over time. Okay, let's talk about the products we're using, why we chose them, why we love them. So I'm gonna start with this bamboo stacking bin. Bamboo, everyone loves it. It's sustainable, it looks good, it functions well. We're using it a couple different places in this pantry. We've got dinner items, pasta, rice, soup stacked in this. And then we have it over in another section where we've got all the to-go items, the forks, the knives, the spoons. So one bin used so many different ways. Okay, we're talking all of our favorite products. And I might be slightly obsessed with the bamboo turntables. They look really good and they're so functional for any sort of jar, sauce, container that you have. With just like a spin of the wrist, you can grab what's in the back, comes to the front. It's so great for whatever you need. And in those weird corners or spaces that you're having a hard time getting things to fit, the bamboo turntable is what you need.
Another product we love for pantries is this beautiful wire basket with bamboo handles. We use it in so many areas. It's great for bags of chips, it's great for boxes of macaroni and cheese, but it also works for things like lunch bags or baggies or even water bottles. So it is a great multi-use, multi-purpose product to have in your pantry.
So we also love decanting. What is decanting, you say? It is just taking something from its original bulky plastic and boxy packaging and decanting it into an airtight container. And so your food stays fresh, it looks good, it's easy to stack, easy to see what you have, what you're running low on. Decanted items in a pantry are an absolute game changer.
Okay, so speaking of decanting, another item we love are these hinged bins. They come in different colors, different sizes. They are so easy to use. They're great for snacks. They're great for things like rubber bands and twisty ties. They're perfect for candy. And what's so nice about them is that they stack. So you can take them as high as you want, but they also look lovely on their own. Another product that is an absolute game changer in pantries are these bamboo raised shelves. They create so much space. You can use them in a pantry, you can use them in a cabinet. They're great for cans. They're also perfect for plates and mugs to stack on them. They double the real estate in your pantry.